Why does your scanner show the P0458 engine code? What does it mean? P0458 is a diagnostic trouble code for Evaporative Emission System purge control, valve circuit low. This engine code indicates that this means the PCM has detected a low voltage condition in the EVAP purge control valve circuit, suggesting a potential issue with the system that prevents fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty EVAP purge solenoid. Wiring issues. Faulty PCM. EVAP system leaks or blockages. Vacuum leaks. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Subaru vehicles, specifically models like the WRX, Impreza, and Forester. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.